It's really slippery. It's like they're really slippery. I'm trying to go very easy on it. It's a brand new clutch as well, so I'm trying to go easy on it. Feels like the tyres are getting warm. They're becoming more sticky with the heat that they get. I don't want to blow up the diff. That was full throttle. Out of fuel. Looks like the tyres are hooking up pretty good now. They must be nice and warm. Yeah. They're gripping pretty good now. goes really good. I'm trying not to break it. That is going really good. The go-kart retreads on the BRP tyre is really good now. This grip is, it's picking up all these stainless, it's picking up all these metal bits from people doing burnouts on the road. It's all stuck in the tyres. But this compound of go-kart tyre is working really good once they warm up. Once they got a bit of heat into them, they started grabbing a lot harder. Even under acceleration, it wasn't trying to lose control. So yeah, they work a lot better. And they're not even worn in. They're not even worn in yet. So the diff is an IRC diff with 2 million silicone fluid. It drives a lot better than the locker, but I don't know how long it's going to last. If you give it punishment, it's going to break eventually, maybe. But going to check the fuel tank. Yeah, it drank it pretty quick. I don't know how many minutes that was, but maybe it's been five minutes already. I'm gonna build new fuel tanks for each side. I'm waiting on parts. I'm waiting on some filler caps to weld them on. I've already got the tubes, but I need the filler caps. Yeah, this fuel tank that I made for it on the side was a little bit experimental, so it ended up being too high for here. Like, the pipe is too close to the fuel line. But that's what Series 1 experimentation is for anyway. So the next two fuel tanks I'll build will be a lot better, I reckon. So cover that. I'm gonna give it another squirt up and down the road. Just going easy on it. I don't want to break it. I can actually drive it in a straight line. The rear tyres are working pretty good. They've got some good heat into them. That went really good, really good. Oh, can't ask for better than that. It's a warm day today. It's like, I think it's roughly 26 degrees here in Australia, Melbourne. But it's I think that handled a lot better than all the other times I've run it. I don't want to go too crazy on it because I don't want to break those little 4mm pins inside the diff. We're waiting on a new improvement. We're waiting on an improved version of that diff anyway, so I don't know if that guy's going to make the ALX cups for that diff anyway, but it is what it is. That's the parts we've got now, but it drives a lot better than using the diff locker, that's for sure. But yeah, the cage is a lot lighter than the other one. This one's alluminum. I still have to build the other side of the fuel tank. I'm going to make 2 fuel tanks for each side, so after I do that it might handle a little bit differently as well. Maybe it's going to be a little bit more heavier, but I'll try that. But if it's too heavy with 2 on each side, I'll just end up running the left hand side version, but I'll be making a new one, two new round fuel tanks, and see how it goes. But yeah, the retreads on the BRP goes really good, mate. These are MG yellow kart tyres. That's where the join is there. That's where the join is there on that one. So it goes really good. I'm really happy with it now. So I'm going to leave it there so I don't break it anymore. and that's it. So I'm waiting for those parts to build the fuel tank. After I build the fuel tank, I'll do another video, I reckon. So that's it for today.